Hey guys, today's workout is a 10-minute standing arms workout. This workout is part of the lean arms program which you can find over here. But if you're not following this program and you want that extra burn in your routine, you can try to add this after you complete your full body or your upper body workouts. Do keep us up to date with your progress by sharing your photos, videos, or leaving comments down below. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe and turn on notification, and let's get started. We've got 14 exercises, 40 seconds on, and we're alternating between 0 and 5 seconds rest. Let's start with C rotation. Raise both arms to the side and draw big C's with hands. This is going to work your shoulders and your arms, and trust me, this looks easy, but you're in for a workout today. Next, we've got wall push-up. If you can't find a wall, just do push-ups on the ground. Stand slightly more than arm length away, fall forward, and make sure your chest and your arms are doing all the work, pushing yourself back. Next, we've got forward pulse. Bring your arms to the side again and pulse forward. We're not taking a break, we are going to swap to a backward pulse. Now bend your knees slightly, lean forward and pedal with your arms like so. Make sure you bring your arms backward until your shoulder blades touch each other. You should be feeling the burn at the back of your arms and on your back as well. Again, we're not taking a break. Now squeeze your arms behind you and clap your hands like so. Your arms should be burning right now, but keep pushing, guys. Quick break and we're jumping into around the world, where you're extending your arms again and spreading them up and down and around the world. This works the entire arms and shoulders too. No rest here. Next we are doing a full extension. Have your arms in front of you like a zombie, raise it up, spread your arms to the side and then repeat. Halfway through the workout guys, not long to go. Short rest and we're doing wall push-up again. If you're feeling too tired, this is a good time to modify into a plank or push-up from your knees. Now give your knees a slight bend again and we're doing double pulses. Extend your arms high, then bring it down to the back and pulse twice. Make sure you're engaging your triceps too. No rest and stay in the same position. Swing your arms like so and we're doing some crisscross. If your arms are burning, don't give up. We just got 4 more exercises to go. You got this. Quick 5 seconds rest and we're back with some pulses again. Now we're doing up pulses. No rest, now swap to down pulses. And for the last exercise, we've got some arm circles. Extend your arms and keep them straight and make as many circles as you can, starting by drawing circles forward for 20 seconds, then backwards for another 20 seconds. Let's end this, guys. And now the other direction. Great job everyone, hope you had a great arm workout. If you're hating me right now, just know that it will get easier the more you do it. Don't forget to share some love by smashing on that like, subscribe and notification bell, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!